Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi. Today in this video I am going to talk about detergent pollutants. So in previous video I already talked about introductions of hydrosphere. So in this video I will focus on detergent pollutants. The detergent cause serious pollution in water resources as they contain phosphates. You know the phosphates are responsible for the growth of algae which deplete the dissolved oxygens. When algae die, they release their components, inorganic and organic substances back into water and so become pollutants themselves. Generally they give amino acids and ammonia in water. So oil spills and oil pollutants is related to detergent pollutants. The spread of oil in the sea has become a common feature nowadays. Oil is transported across ocean through tankers and either due to some accidents or leakage, oil spill onto the water and cause the degradations of aquatic and marine environment. You know, between 1968 and 1983, there were more than 500 tanker accidents that involve oil spills. So friends, the pollution in water by oil is called oil pollution. This generally happens when oil is transported from one place to another place or from one country to other through sea, when oil tankers either explode due to enemies attack or due to leakage in ports and ducts. In recent report of December of ocean, there are more than 50 heavily polluted places of oil pollutions along the India coast. In 1985, one fine morning, a long distance of Haji Port was full of dead fishes due to oil pollutions. Some time back in Gulf War, the oil tanker and other sources of Kuwait were destroyed by Iraq, with the result that a layer of oil is spread all over the coast and aquatic animals died on the spot due to non-availability of oxygen and sun rays. The recent report of the National Institute of Oceanography indicate that fish field of Kerala decreased by 35% because of coastal pollutions in recent 5 years. Similar decreases in fish yield has been reported in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha and Gujarat. The oil is made up of about 40 components. The upper components like petrol, kerosene evaporates causing air pollution in nearby areas, while lower component like naphtha, it destroy the plants and animal kingdom of the sea, being thicker in nature, thus neither allowing sunlight to enter into the lower portions of sea nor allowing oxygen to enter into lower portion of sea. Thus oil in water is responsible for reducing light penetrations, and that is very important point. Reducing light penetrations and reducing dissolved oxygen, these 2 points is very important. So oil slick from a layer up to 2 meters below the surface of water check the light to reach into the lower part of sea needed for the photosynthesis of aquatic plants. Reducing dissolved oxygen, they reduce the percentage of dissolved oxygen in the sea, with the result that aquatic animals die due to lack of oxygen necessary for respirations. According to Ministry of Health of Government of India, the maximum permissible limit of oil in water is 0.3 mg per liter. Any higher amount than this prescribed value causes oil pollution. The oil pollution can be controlled by checking spillage of oil international laws can be formulated to check the bombardment of oil tankers. And now, effect of oil pollutions. You know, the crude oil contains a small amount of saturated hydrocarbons, nitrogen, sulfur compounds, metal like iron, nickel, vanadium, which causes paralysis. And this crude oil also contains carbonyl sulfide, which break up into hydrogen sulfide, a poisonous gas which affect the respiratory system. The aromatic compounds like mercaptans, thiophene, and benzothiophenes are toxic in nature and damage kidney, liver, and create mental disorder. The saturated hydrocarbons like methane, ethane, propane causes suffocations and respiration ailment. Liquid paraffin can cause pneumonia in lungs and destroy the tissue of kidney. The animals also suffer due to damage of kidney and liver. The oil fur of animals lose insulations, resulting in death finally. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you, and it is very helpful to you to write a short note on oil spills and oil pollutants. So friend, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.